A very good morning, all my dear students. How are you all? Hope that you all are fit and fine. Okay, so I'm starting today's class. Today I will tell you how to install Tux Paint. Okay, from internet. Okay, I told you in live class that Tux Paint is an application software which is actually it's a painting software. Okay, so it is used for making drawings and for coloring drawings. You can make and color pictures in it, and there are some other tools which you can directly use in your drawing. You can use stamps, and you can choose different magic tool which makes your drawing more attractive. Okay, but first of all you need to understand how to download this software from internet. Okay, so that I will tell you now. Okay, for installing Tux Paint, first of all you have to open internet. Okay, just open Google and type download Tux Paint. Okay, as you will click here, so click on the first link. Look at this official website www.tuxpaint.org. Click on that link. Okay, so this kind of page will appear here. See, if you are using Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10, so click on this link. Okay, if you are choosing Windows 2000 or XP, then click on this link. As I'm using Windows 10, so I am clicking on this option. Okay, as you will click here, so another window will appear. Okay, in this window you have to choose the first option. See, two options will be there for downloading. First one is 64-bit and second is 32-bit. Okay, so do click on this first option. Okay, click on this link, click over this link. So now I'm clicking on it. Just look at this progress bar. Here the download bar will appear. So just see, it's downloading is going to start. Just look here. Okay, just wait for some time. Automatically it will be started. It's waiting for. See, now the process is started. You can see here. Okay, so this Tux Paint is downloading now. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, now the installation is completed. Okay, so after the completion of this downloading, click on this arrow and click on show in folder option. As you will click here, so this is the setup of Tux Paint. Run this setup, double click on this software for installing Tux Paint in your system. Okay, just do double click in it. When you will double click on it, it will ask you to run that program. So click on this run option. As you will click on this run option, okay, the installation will be started. Okay, installation start हो जाएगा. Okay, click on this option. When the installation will be completed, then you can open Tux Paint. Click on this start button and then all apps and find Tux Paint. One Tux Paint folder will be there, so just find that folder, Tux Paint. Here it is. You can see this is the Tux Paint folder. So click on this arrow. There will be two options for opening Tux Paint, full screen and windowed. So click on the full screen option. As you will click here, so see, this is the Tux Paint window. Okay, and this is your workspace. Here you have to work. Okay, so see, now I will tell you about the components of Tux Paint. Okay, so Yes, it is Tux Paint window. Now see, this is the tools list. These all are called tools, okay, and this whole bar is called the tool bar, okay, and this side, these all are called selectors. As you click on any particular tool, so related sub tools you can see in this selector box. As I am clicking on stamp, so these all are the collections and stamps, okay, many stamps are there, okay. By default these stamps will be there, okay, by default these stamps will be there. More you can download, okay, but by default these penguin stamps will be there in your system, okay. And as now see, I'm clicking on lines tool, so these all are the sub tools for lines tool, okay. Like by default when you will draw, the straight line will come, but if you choose another pattern, see, I have clicking this, so see, this kind of pattern you can draw, either for making line, okay, you can choose any pattern which you want, okay. It's not looking nice like in this way, you can draw like this, okay. And from this colors palette you can change the color of the pattern, okay. This palette where you all can see the color, this palette is called the colors palette, okay. And this is our help area, okay. Click to start drawing a line, it gives you instruction, see, okay. As you use any tool, so it gives information about that tool, okay. And the area where you make drawing is called the drawing area or canvas, okay. And this arrow is called the top arrow, and this arrow is called the down arrow. If you want to move down in the list, so click on this arrow. Otherwise, if you want to move upwards in the direction, then click on this up arrow, okay. Eraser tool you can use to erase anything which you don't want in your canvas. You can, with the help of mouse, you can erase it, okay. It's erased now, okay. So this is the use of the eraser tool. Now after completing your drawing, okay, you need to save it. So for this we have the save button. To quit Tux Paint, click on this quit option, okay. Now I'm telling you pattern, brush, shapes, okay. Click on this paint tool. It is the very basic tool in Tux Paint. Like in MS Paint, you all have worked on MS Paint, so there was a brush tool, okay. Brush tool is similar to the paint in Tux Paint, okay. If you want to draw anything freehand, for that you can use the this paint option, okay. You can choose any pattern and you can draw it, okay. You can draw one line, you can draw one pattern, and or you can draw lines or anything, whatever you want to draw. A haste sign you can draw like this. From here you can change the colors, okay. Okay, now see, in your book on page number 16, one tree is given here. So for drawing a tree, first you have to click on the paint brush and then just draw the stem, okay. So I am just trying to draw a stem, okay, like this. You can draw a stem, okay. And for drawing a tree, there are some other options in this one. Click on this option. Now you can draw tree, okay. You can change the color from here and you can draw the tree like this, okay. This pattern is especially it is used to draw a tree. With the help of this pattern you can draw a tree. You can see how beautiful it is.